Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Cup of Crafts. I want to make some more ephemera for our junk journals. So I went and got this bottle cap. It's off of a Zyrtec bottle. I don't know, you know. And I'm gonna put, well, this is navy, but it's a dark navy, so it might work. Can y'all see that up there? Okay. And I'm just gonna spread that out like that. Let me jump up and grab me a paper towel because I forgot one. I need to wipe my finger off. I don't know that I'm gonna like this navy. I may have to get back in here and look for some black. And then I'm just gonna stamp that like that. Just like that. A little darker. And then I'll show you what we're gonna do with that in a minute. All right, I think that's all I want on that one. And one more, I think. All right, we're gonna set that aside. And we're gonna let these dry. I set them back behind me there. I may want to use this later. I think I'll put it in my toolbox. I used way too much paint. That's all right. This paint's getting old because it hasn't been used enough. All right, put that in my garbage pile. Now I got paint all over me. That's okay. Now, I want to take a couple more. And I'm gonna take this. That's a little bit bigger than I wanted. What else do I have over here? That would make a cute tag. All right, let's see how big this looks. I think that'll be okay, actually. That one's not big enough. Let's put these two aside. I like this piece. I actually like that green up there. All right, let's stop there because I may not have much time. And we're just gonna cut these out. Now, if you wanted to, you could cut these out with pinking shears or any of those decorative scissors. Would be really cute. And let's just do that. Let's get our pinking shears out. And we'll cut this one out with the pinking shears. Big old bulky scissors. All right, I'm not sure about that. So I have these two, and let's just think about what we can do. I just love that. Let me just do that to this one. Let me just do that to that one. Then we'll have one that's a little bit smaller than the other, but that's okay. All right. Garbage pile. And we have those. And then I want to make some that are just a little bit smaller. So what can I use? That's a little too big. Let me see what else I've got over here. It's funny when you're looking around your crafter and trying to find. found something I think that is just right. There we go. I think I want 2 of those. Just like that. I got woke up last night. Cats were fighting out on the porch. And when I first heard them, I thought the baby was crying. But no, it's the cats barking. I mean, fighting at one another. Okay, I don't like that. Guess what? I just don't like that. I don't like it. As well as I thought I would. But that's okay. Let me get some doilies out. How big are these doilies? I'm just doing this on the fly, y'all. I'm not doing anything particular. All right. There we go. I like that. That's quite pretty. That'll be one piece of ephemera right there. Let's take this and ink it up. And let's see if we can get any ink on this. Okay. Yeah, I actually thought there was a critter out there, and maybe that's what they were after, because we have something that's been getting our chickens. We finally let the last 2 loose, and they're safer loose than they are in their pen, because when they're pinned up, the critter can get them, you know, they can't get nowhere. So the whatever's getting them, whether it's a raccoon or whatever. So the 2 remaining chickens kind of have free range 24/7. All right. And they get up high enough in the trees or whatever that nothing gets them. I'm not crazy about that one after I did it. Let's do another one. So anyway, there is a wagon on the porch, and the chickens have been laying eggs in that wagon. And the other night, well, the other morning when I got up, we had forgotten to get the eggs, and something else had gotten them and ate them right on the porch. So I figure whatever it was is going to come back, right? So I thought that maybe that's what the cats were after. But no, they were just fighting with each other. All right, let's put a doily behind this one. Like that. There we go. That right in the middle. Pop that down right there. can see there's more than one doily on there. Okay. All right. Now, I'm not crazy about these two in the middle, so I want to do something else with them. Let me see what I did with my little box of stickers. And let's see what treasures we can find in here. Here we've got these little ones that we used the other day, but I think they're too little. Let me see what else I can find. There's a mushroom in there, or even a butterfly. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I just need another butterfly. And I know I've got one. I just gotta find it. And all of this stuff. Some pretty little flowers. Well, let's look at that. That would give us an entirely different look. I'm gonna put this one down. This is going to be a really quick video today, I hope. Of course, it might take me 30 minutes just to get this sticker off. Who knows? All right. I'm just going to put that down right there, and we're going to call that one good. Now, let's look and see about these stickers here. I see one in particular that I like. I think that's pretty. What else is in here? What if we put 2 in here? No, I don't like 2. I don't like that one, but I do like that one. I was wanting a little leaf or something. Let me take these apart and see if we can find a little leaf. No leaves? Well, we could take one of these and make us another leaf, couldn't we? Now, if I can get this apart. And those other ones should be dry enough that we can work with them anyway. Oh man, I don't know if I can get this apart or not. It's so small. I really can't get a hold of nothing. Well, my goodness. Usually if you kind of fold it, it comes off. Can I do this without cutting myself? Probably not. There it goes. All right. I just want extra leaf under there. And then we'll take this one off. Wish there was an easier way to get these apart. Sometimes I can get them really quickly, and then other times, man, I'll struggle like this, and this is ridiculous. If you have a trick for getting these stickers off, please let me know. It's the clear stickers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't have the patience for this. That didn't help none. Well, I never. Y'all, I'm so sorry. There it goes. You sit there and watch me struggle. There. I think those are pretty to put in a journal. I'm going to put them with the stuff I made the other day, the kite and the fans. If you didn't see that video, I made kites and fans that were really cute. All right, back to these. Let me put the lid on this before I lose it. And get a drink. I got some sweet tea from Sonic today. And I always get raspberry in my tea, and they forgot to put the raspberry in there. I'm a little aggravated because I'm not a big fan of sweet tea as it is, but I love it, believe it or not, with the raspberry in it. But when I was a kid, man, I hated tea more than anything, so my taste buds have changed over the years. I want to put these away before they fly all over the place. That baby sure don't need none of these in her mouth. That's got, well, I thought I had them all put away. But I didn't. We're going to the Memphis Zoo pretty soon, within a week or two. And I'm really excited about that. Didn't think that through very good, did I? All right, where's my pencil? I didn't think that through very well. I will use those, though. They might be pockets, but I will use them. And so what I want to do with these is ink the edges to begin with. And these are just going to be like, they go in the edge of your book. And I want to, I think I want to put a doily behind them. And then I fold them in half like that. Let me show you. That on there. And then I take my journal. We're going to get our sewing journal out again. I didn't realize this, but this is working out really good for me because I did not finish decorating this sewing journal. And I realized that I'm using it to show y'all how to do ephemera pieces. So it's working out really good. See, there's our little kite right there. So anyway, I want somewhere to put this. That page is pretty plain, but I've got something over here. What if we put it right here? So what I do is I fold these in half, like that. And then I put them on the edge of the page like that. Now there's two ways you can do it. You can sew it completely down. You can even put it at the top if you want to, like that. You can sew it. You can glue it completely down, or you can do like I do. I take my glue and I just put it right up there on that edge. Right in the center. Jill, no. Jill, come here. Alright, I'm going to have to end this video pretty quickly because the heating and air guys are here. But anyway, I just take these and I glue them right on the edge. And then that works as a tuck spot. And you can just tuck something under it like that. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video today, and I'll see you in the next one.